Oceans serve as crucial habitats for numerous endangered species, providing them with a vital environment for their survival. Within these vast underwater realms, many species face the threat of extinction due to factors such as habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and overexploitation. However, the oceans also offer refuge and essential habitats for these endangered species, playing a critical role in their survival and conservation. Various marine mammals, including seals, manatees, and polar bears, rely on oceans for their survival. Coastal areas, including rocky shores and sandy beaches, provide important haul-out and breeding sites for seals. Mangrove forests, estuaries, and coastal wetlands serve as critical habitats for manatees, providing shelter, food, and protection from predators. Polar bears are uniquely adapted to the Arctic marine environment, relying on the sea ice as a platform for hunting, mating, and rearing their young. The conservation of these marine mammal habitats is vital to ensure the survival and well-being of these endangered species. The oceans are teeming with a vast array of fish species, showcasing remarkable marine life, from the colorful and tropical to the majestic and deep ocean dwellers. Fish species occupy various niches and play critical roles in marine ecosystems. Fish species in the ocean encompass a wide range of shapes, sizes, colors, and behaviors. They inhabit diverse habitats, including coral reefs, open ocean waters, and coastal estuaries. Some fish species are adapted to specific environments, while others undertake remarkable migrations spanning thousands of kilometers. Coral reefs are home to a plethora of fish species, renowned for their vibrant colors and intricate patterns. Species like the clownfish, butterfly fish, and angelfish adorn coral reefs with their striking hues, blending in with the vibrant coral formations. These fish play crucial roles in reef ecosystems, contributing to the reef's overall health and functioning. In the pelagic zone of the open ocean, large predatory fish species dominate. The majestic marlin, swordfish, and tuna are renowned for their speed, strength, and impressive migratory patterns. These apex predators not only inspire awe, but also help maintain the balance of the pelagic food chain. The deep ocean, one of the most mysterious and least explored regions on Earth, harbors a fascinating array of fish species. Creatures such as anglerfish, viperfish, and lanternfish possess unique adaptations for surviving in the extreme darkness and extreme pressures of the abyss. Their bioluminescent features and bizarre anatomical structures showcase the wonders of deep ocean adaptation. Coastal areas and estuaries provide important habitats for numerous fish species, including those that complete their life cycles in both freshwater and saltwater environments. Salmon, eels, and certain species of trout undertake incredible migrations from rivers to the open ocean and back, displaying remarkable adaptations to navigate different ecosystems. The ocean is also home to numerous schooling fish species that exhibit intricate social behaviors and synchronized movements. Shoals of sardines, herring, and anchovies move in unison, forming dense schools that protect individuals from predators and facilitate efficient foraging. From the mighty whale shark, the world's largest fish, to the tiny and elusive seahorse, Each species contributes to the overall biodiversity and ecological balance of marine ecosystems. The oceans host a dazzling array of fish species. Each adapted to its unique ecological niche, from the vivid inhabitants of coral reefs to the enigmatic creatures of the deep sea. Fish species in the ocean captivate with their beauty, diversity, and ecological significance. In this vast ocean, there exists unsung heroes that play a vital role in our planet's survival. Phytoplankton. These microscopic marine plants may be small in size, but their impact on the Earth's atmosphere and ecosystems is monumental. In this exploration, we will uncover the remarkable world of phytoplankton and their crucial contributions to oxygen production. Phytoplankton are the primary producers of the ocean, harnessing the power of sunlight and nutrients to carry out photosynthesis. These microscopic plants float near the ocean's surface, where sunlight can penetrate the water. Despite their small individual size, the collective biomass of phytoplankton is immense, making them the foundation of the marine food chain. Through photosynthesis, phytoplankton converts carbon dioxide and sunlight into organic matter and release oxygen as a byproduct. In fact, it is estimated that phytoplankton are responsible for approximately half of the Earth's oxygen production. They are the unsung heroes that tirelessly work to replenish the air we breathe, generating oxygen on a scale that rivals the contribution of forests and land plants. But the role of phytoplankton in oxygen production is not their only significant contribution. They are also a crucial source of food and energy for a vast array of marine organisms. Zooplankton, small animals that graze on phytoplankton, serve as a vital link in the transfer of energy through the food web. From tiny shrimp-like coppods to magnificent filter-feeding baleen whales. Many marine species depend directly or indirectly on phytoplankton for sustenance. Furthermore, phytoplankton play a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate. Through photosynthesis, they absorb substantial amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. By sequestering carbon, they act as a natural carbon sink, playing a crucial role in the global carbon cycle. Their abundance and productivity have a significant impact on the Earth's climate and the health of the planet. Despite their importance, phytoplankton face numerous challenges like ocean acidification and nutrient imbalances that all impact the growth and distribution of these vital organisms. Changes in ocean temperature and nutrient availability can lead to shifts in phytoplankton populations, with potential consequences for the entire marine ecosystem. Understanding the dynamics of phytoplankton and their response to environmental changes is vital for the management and conservation of marine ecosystems. Ongoing research efforts aim to unravel the complex interactions between phytoplankton and their environment, providing insights into the potential impacts of environmental changes and informing strategies for mitigation. Appreciating the role of phytoplankton as unsung heroes of the ocean and champions of oxygen production is crucial for our understanding of the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. As we strive to protect and conserve our planet, it is essential to recognize and support the conservation of these microscopic powerhouses that sustain life beneath the ocean's surface and contribute to the well-being of the entire planet. Phytoplankton may be invisible to the naked eye, but their impact on the Earth's oxygen levels and climate regulation is profound. These unsung heroes of the ocean play a vital role in sustaining life, nourishing marine ecosystems, and balancing the Earth's atmosphere. By valuing and protecting phytoplankton, we uphold the delicate balance of our planet. Beneath the surface of the ocean realm is mystery and wonder, where sunlight cannot reach. An illuminating phenomenon takes place. Bioluminescence. This captivating display of light, produced by various marine organisms, illuminates the dark depths and transforms the underwater world into a dazzling spectacle. In this exploration, we will delve into the intriguing realm of bioluminescence, unraveling its mysteries and discovering the important roles it plays in the ocean. This unexplored frontier, shrouded in darkness and extreme conditions, holds secrets and treasures yet to be discovered. In this expedition into the deep ocean, we will uncover the fascinating world that exists in the depths and shed light on the enigmatic creatures that call it home. As we descend, we leave behind the familiar sights and sounds of the surface. The water grows colder, the pressure intensifies, and sunlight diminishes until complete darkness envelops us. Despite the inhospitable conditions, life thrives in this seemingly hostile environment. Deep ocean creatures have adapted to survive under extreme pressure, frigid temperatures, and the scarcity of food. Here, amidst the abyssal plains and rugged seamounts, an incredible array of life has evolved. Strange and otherworldly, these organisms exhibit remarkable adaptations that enable them to navigate and flourish in the deep. Bioluminescence is the ability of living organisms to generate light through chemical reactions within their bodies. It is a widespread phenomenon found in a diverse range of marine species, including bacteria, plankton, jellyfish, fish, and even some whales. The light produced by these organisms can vary in color, from blue and green to red and even bioluminescent flashes of white. One of the most enchanting aspects of bioluminescence is its purpose and function. Organisms use bioluminescence for a variety of reasons, including communication, defense, and hunting. Some species emit light as a form of communication, attracting mates or signaling to others of their kind. Others use bioluminescence as a defensive mechanism, creating bright flashes or glowing clouds to startle or confuse predators. For some deep-sea organisms, bioluminescence serves as a means of attracting prey in the darkness. One of the most iconic examples of bioluminescence in the ocean is the phenomenon known as milky seas. In rare occurrences, vast areas of the ocean surface become illuminated with a faint, ethereal glow, resembling an otherworldly Milky Way. This phenomenon is caused by a high concentration of bioluminescent bacteria in the water, creating a mesmerizing display that can stretch for miles. Bioluminescence also plays a vital role in the ocean's ecological balance. Many marine organisms, particularly certain species of plankton, called dinoflagellates, emit light when disturbed or agitated. As predators swim through the water, their movement triggers the bioluminescent response in these plankton, alerting other organisms to the presence of potential danger. This creates a ripple effect throughout the food chain, allowing organisms to react and adapt to their surroundings. In addition to its mesmerizing beauty and ecological significance, bioluminescence has captivated scientists and researchers for its potential application in various fields. The study of bioluminescent organisms has provided insights into the development of medical imaging techniques such as bioluminescence imaging, BLI, which allows scientists to track and visualize specific cellular processes within living organisms. Bioluminescent molecules, such as luciferin and green fluorescent protein, GFP, have become valuable tools in genetic research and biotechnology. Bioluminescence is a captivating and vital aspect of the ocean's beauty and ecosystem. Its ability to illuminate the dark depths and its diverse functions in communication, defense, and ecological balance make it a fascinating subject of study and wonder. By understanding and appreciating bioluminescence, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and marvels of the underwater world, reminding us of the intricate interplay of light and life in the deep. From deep ocean fish with elongated jaws to capture elusive prey to mesmerizing gelatinous creatures that gracefully drift through the water column, the deep ocean is a showcase of wonder. Giant squid, with their elusive nature and colossal size, add an air of mystery to this realm. Deep-sea corals, with their delicate beauty and ability to survive in darkness, form intricate ecosystems that provide refuge for a multitude of organisms. In the blackness of the deep ocean, bioluminescence transforms the environment into a mesmerizing light show, illuminating the darkness and enabling creatures to navigate and interact in this lightless realm. Exploring the deep ocean is not without its challenges. The immense pressure and darkness pose obstacles to human exploration, yet through technological advancements such as remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and manned submersibles, scientists have made remarkable discoveries, shedding light on the mysteries of the deep. The knowledge gained from deep-sea exploration has significant implications for our understanding of Earth's history and climate. The deep ocean acts as a vast reservoir of biodiversity and a repository of valuable resources, including minerals and potential sources of medicine. In the deep ocean, where food is scarce, organisms have evolved extraordinary feeding mechanisms. Deep ocean fish, for instance, possess elongated jaws and expandable stomachs, enabling them to capture and consume prey that are few and far between. Some species have evolved large, sensitive eyes that can detect even the faintest traces of bioluminescent light, allowing them to locate potential meals in the darkness. The deep ocean is also home to a vast array of gelatinous creatures, such as jellyfish and comb jellies. These ethereal organisms have translucent bodies adorned with intricate structures and delicate tentacles. They possess unique locomotion methods, gracefully propelling themselves through the water using pulsations and cilia. Their translucent bodies and bioluminescent displays add to the otherworldly beauty of the deep ocean environment. The deep ocean is also home to fascinating cephalopods such as the enigmatic giant squid and the agile and intelligent octopus. These creatures possess highly developed sensory organs and complex nervous systems, allowing them to navigate and interact with their environment. The ability to change color and shape, as well as their exceptional problem-solving skills, showcases the remarkable intelligence and adaptability of deep ocean cephalopods. The deep has a wealth of fascination and intrigue. Descending into its depths unveils a realm teeming with extraordinary life forms, mysterious ecosystems, and breathtaking adaptations. Exploring the deep ocean not only expands our knowledge, but also underscores the need for its conservation. Let us continue to delve into this realm with curiosity, respect, and unraveling its mysteries. over millions of years, water has been on a mission, flowing over the Earth's surface, eroding rocks and minerals along the way. These little particles hitch a ride in rivers and eventually find themselves in the mighty ocean. It's like a never-ending delivery service of minerals, including sodium, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. And these dissolved minerals are the secret ingredients that give the ocean its salty flavor. But that's not all. Volcanic activity also lent a helping hand in making the ocean salty. When those fiery volcanoes erupt, they release gases and minerals into the atmosphere. Eventually, these find their way into the ocean, carried by winds and currents. So volcanic ash and lava bring along their own dissolved salts, adding to the ocean's salty mix. Hydrothermal vents, mysterious openings in the ocean floor where hot, mineral-rich water gushes out. It's nature's hot spring. These vents are another source of minerals that contribute to the ocean's salinity. Minerals from deep within the earth mix with the ocean water, creating a salty brew. Evaporation is the sun's way of turning up the heat. When the sun's energy kisses the ocean's surface, water evaporates, leaving behind those dissolved salts. Think of it like making a concentrated solution. As more water evaporates, the saltiness gets more concentrated, giving the ocean its distinct salty taste. Precipitation and freshwater runoff from rivers act as the ocean's flavor balancers. When it rains or rivers flow into the ocean, they bring fresh water, which dilutes the ocean's salinity. It's like a splash of freshness amidst all that saltiness. However, with erosion and other salty sources continuously adding minerals, the ocean maintains its average salinity level. The ocean's saltiness is like a delicate dance between erosion, volcanic activity, hydrothermal vents, evaporation, and freshwater runoff. It's this dance that keeps the ocean's salinity relatively stable, around 3.5% or 35 parts per thousand. That means for every 1,000 grams of ocean water, roughly 35 grams are dissolved salts. But this salty nature isn't just for flavor. It's essential for the balance of marine ecosystems, the formation of ocean currents, and circulation patterns. One of the most captivating features of the deep ocean is the presence of hydrothermal vents. These otherworldly ecosystems are formed by geothermal activity, where mineral-rich water emerges from beneath the Earth's crust. Hydrothermal vents create a haven for unique life forms, including tube worms, giant clams, and eyeless shrimp, which thrive in the presence of sulfurous compounds and extreme temperatures. In this exploration, we will venture into the deep to uncover the mysteries of hydrothermal vents and marvel at the resilience of the life that thrives within them. Hydrothermal vents are found along the boundaries of tectonic plates where volcanic activity occurs beneath the ocean floor. Here, ocean water seeps into the cracks and crevices where it is heated by magma. As the superheated water rises back to the ocean floor, it carries dissolved minerals and metals, creating a unique chemical-rich environment. One of the defining features of hydrothermal vents is the emission of superheated fluid rich in hydrogen sulfide and other minerals. As this fluid mixes with the cold ocean water, it creates towering chimneys and structures known as black smokers. These chimneys can reach impressive heights and spew plumes of hot, mineral-laden water into the surrounding ocean. Despite the extreme temperatures, high pressure, and complete darkness, Hydrothermal vents support thriving ecosystems. The unique conditions that these vents provide energy and nutrients that sustains a remarkable array of organisms. Bacteria form the foundation of the food chain, utilizing the chemical compounds released by the vents through a process called chemosynthesis. These bacteria are known as chemosynthetic bacteria and are capable of converting the chemical energy into organic matter. The chemosynthetic bacteria in turn provide sustenance for other organisms that make their home near the vents. Tube worms, for instance, form intricate colonies around the chimneys, their vibrant red plumes swaying in the currents. These worms lack a digestive system and rely entirely on symbiotic bacteria living within their bodies to convert the energy-rich chemicals into nutrients they can use. Other species such as clams, mussels, and shrimp also thrive in the vicinity of hydrothermal vents. They have developed specialized adaptations to withstand the high temperatures and high levels of toxic chemicals that will be lethal to most organisms. These unique communities of organisms have adapted to survive in an environment that was once thought to be uninhabitable. Hydrothermal vents not only support diverse and unique ecosystems, but also play a significant role in Earth's geochemical processes. The minerals and metals released from the vents contribute to the formation of mineral deposits on the ocean floor, making them potential targets for future mineral resource extraction. Understanding the geological and biological processes associated with hydrothermal vents is essential for sustainable resource management and conservation efforts. Exploring and studying hydrothermal vents provide valuable insights into the potential for life in extreme environments. The discoveries made in these deep ocean ecosystems have expanded our understanding of the limits of life and the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. Hydrothermal vents are awe-inspiring ecosystems in the abyss, supporting thriving communities of organisms that have adapted to extreme conditions. These hidden oases of life provide insights into the adaptability and resilience of living organisms and their intricate connections with the geological processes of the planet. Earth is the only planet known to contain liquid water. The ocean makes all life on Earth possible and appear blue when viewed from space. Let's explore the sheer vastness and grandeur of these mighty bodies of water. Dive into the elements that make the oceans so undeniably calming and vibrant all at once. The magnitude of the oceans takes your breath away. They stretch out before us, seemingly endless in their expanse, evoking a sense of awe, of majesty. Standing at the shore, gazing out at the horizon, where the sky meets the ocean, we can't help but feel a profound connection to something greater than ourselves. Our planet's surface, adorned by majestic oceans that stretch as far as the eye can see. Covering over 71% of the Earth's surface, the oceans hold an unimaginable wealth of water. Their collective volume is estimated to be a staggering 1.332 billion cubic kilometers, which is 97% of all the water on Earth. It's a number so immense that it defies comprehension. The oceans are not merely confined to one specific region or coastline. They encompass the entire globe, connecting continents and shaping the very fabric of our planet. They link distant lands, bridging cultures and civilizations throughout history. Their vastness knows no bounds, inspiring exploration and igniting the human spirit of adventure. These oceans are actually connected to each other as one huge body of water. Oceanographers have divided the ocean into the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic oceans, from largest to smallest respectively. The Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific oceans merge into icy waters around Antarctica. The ever-changing colors of the oceans add to their allure, from the deep azure blues of open waters to the turquoise hues near the shores, and even the emerald greens of coastal shallows. The colors of the ocean create a stunning visual spectacle. They shift and transform with the play of light and the interplay of various factors such as depth, sediment, and marine life, painting an ever-evolving masterpiece. Within the depths of the oceans lies a world of captivating biodiversity. Coral reefs, with their vibrant colors and intricate formations, are like underwater gardens teeming with life. They provide a mesmerizing backdrop for an array of marine creatures, from the dazzling schools of tropical fish to the graceful dance of sea animals and the delicate sway of kelp forests. The sheer diversity and splendor of marine life contribute to the ocean's undeniable beauty. The oceans possess a sense of tranquility that is truly enchanting. The rhythmic ebb and flow of the tides, the gentle lapping of waves against the shore, and the soothing sounds of seagulls overhead create a symphony of serenity. It's a sanctuary where one can find solace and a moment of respite from the chaos of everyday life. The interplay between the oceans and the elements further adds to their beauty. Sunsets casting a warm golden glow across the water, transforming it into a shimmering canvas of colors. The power and grandeur of crashing waves against rocky cliffs, showcasing nature's raw strength. And on calm nights, when the ocean mirrors the starry sky above, the sight is nothing short of heavenly. These elements come together harmoniously, creating scenes of unparalleled beauty that leave us with a twinkle in our eyes and in awe. The oceans hold a certain mystique, an untamed feeling that sparks our curiosity and invites exploration. They are the final frontier, with vast portions yet to be fully discovered and understood. From hidden underwater caves to unexplored deep-sea trenches, the oceans hold secrets and mysteries that continue to captivate our imagination. It's the combination of these elements, the vastness, the colors, the biodiversity, the tranquility, the interplay with the elements, and the sense of exploration that makes the oceans so beautiful. They are a testament to nature's wonder, inviting us to marvel and inspire us to protect and cherish them forever. The largest body of water on the Earth, the Pacific Ocean, was named for its perceived peacefulness, Pacifique in French, by explorer Ferdinand Magellan. But despite its name, the region experiences many natural disasters like typhoons, hurricanes, earthquakes, and volcanic activity. Tsunamis caused by underwater earthquakes have also caused significant destruction. Covering about 1/3 of the Earth's surface, the Pacific Ocean spans an area of 179.7 square kilometers. It stretches approximately 15,500 kilometers from the Arctic's Bering Sea to Antarctica's Ross Sea. At its widest point, located eastwards at 5 degrees north latitude, It spans 19,800 kilometers from Indonesia to the Colombian coast. The Strait of Malacca is considered its farthest western point. The Pacific Ocean is also home to the Mariana Trench, the lowest known point on Earth and deepest part of the ocean, reaching a depth of about 10,925 meters below sea level. There are other trenches like the Philippine Trench and the Tonga Trench that is adjacent to the outer edges of the wide western Pacific continental shelf. It contains the most significant number of islands among all the oceans, with approximately 25,000 Pacific islands. Most of the Pacific Ocean's floor is also fairly level, with mean depths of not more than 4,500 meters. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean and covers approximately 1/5 of the Earth's global ocean area. It gets its name from Atlas in Greek mythology, a titan condemned to hold the Earth on his shoulders for eternity. It is connected to the Pacific Ocean by the Arctic Ocean in the north and the Southern Ocean in the south. The Atlantic Ocean is found between Africa, Europe, the Americas, the Arctic, and the Southern Ocean. The Atlantic is divided into the North Atlantic and South Atlantic by countercurrents at the equator. It has a diverse geography with numerous bays, gulfs, and seas, including the Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Mexico, and Mediterranean Sea. The Atlantic Ocean is marked by the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a giant submarine mountain range, and various basins and trenches. It is an important route for trade and transportation between North America, Europe, and other regions. The Atlantic Ocean supports a wide range of marine life and contains deep sea features such as seamounts and trenches. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean, covering approximately 20% of the Earth's water surface. That's about 70,560,000 square kilometers. It is bordered by Southern Asia, the Arabian Peninsula, Africa, the Malay Peninsula, the Sunda Islands, and Australia. The Indian Ocean has a complex geography with various islands and continental shelves. It is characterized by the convergence of the African, Indian, and Antarctic crustal plates. Monsoons control the Indian Ocean's currents, which flow clockwise in the northern hemisphere and counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere. The Indian Ocean is an important transit route between Asia and Africa, and its history has been marked by conflicts between nations. The ocean's temperature and salinity vary across different regions, and it supports diverse marine life. The deepest part of the Indian Ocean is at the Java Trench, which is 7,450 meters deep, and the average depth at 3,890 meters. Many rivers flow into the Indian Ocean, including the popular Zambezi in Zambia, Africa. The Indian Ocean also includes seas and gulfs like the Arabian Sea and Gulf of Oman. The Southern Ocean is the world's fourth largest body of water and surrounds Antarctica. It was officially recognized as an ocean in the year 2000 by the International Hydrographic Organization. This is because it is made up of parts of the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. It holds 71,800,000 cubic kilometers of water and covers about 21,960,000 square kilometers. The Southern Ocean is predominantly deep water, and it includes the Antarctic continental shelf, which is unusually deep and narrow. The Southern Ocean's lowest point is 7,235 meters deep at the southern end of the South Sandwich Trench and has an average depth of 3,270 meters. The Antarctic Circumpolar Current, the world's largest ocean current, moves perpetually eastward and plays a significant role in the ocean's circulation. It has 100 times the flow of all the world's rivers combined. The region is facing environmental issues such as reduced marine productivity due to increased solar ultraviolet radiation and illegal fishing activity. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and coldest ocean in the world. It is divided by the Lomonosov Ridge into two deep basins, the Eurasian or Nascent Basin and the North American or Hyperborean Basin. It has a varied topography consisting of fault block ridges, abyssal plains, and ocean deeps. It also lies north of the Arctic Circle between Europe, Asia, and North America. Its area is 14,056,000 square kilometers, while the deepest point is 5,502 meters, and the average depth is only 987 meters. The greatest inflow of water comes from the Atlantic via the Norwegian Current, while water also enters from the Pacific via the Bering Strait. The East Greenland Current is the main outflow. The Arctic Ocean used to be covered in ice year-round, but lower ice is experienced now due to warming. Marine life is relatively scarce except in the open southerly waters because of its icy waters. The region is important for air traffic as it provides the shortest routes between North America and Europe. Overall, each of the 5 major oceans has unique characteristics in terms of geography, currents, marine life, and environment. They play a crucial role in the Earth's climate system, global transportation, and biodiversity. But the magnitude of the oceans isn't limited to their size alone. It extends to their depths as well. Plummeting to unfathomable depths, the oceans harbor mysteries that have yet to be fully explored. The average depth of the oceans is approximately 3,800 meters, with the Mariana Trench, located in the Western Pacific, reaching a mind-boggling depth of about 10,925 meters. To put it into perspective, if Mount Everest, the tallest peak on land, were placed in the Mariana Trench, its peak would still be over 2 kilometers underwater. The importance of the oceans is not merely their physical presence, but also encompasses their ecological significance. These vast bodies of water harbor an extraordinary array of life, forming intricate ecosystems that support countless species. From the microscopic organisms like phytoplankton that fuel the marine food web, to the awe-inspiring giants like whales that traverse the ocean's expanse, the biodiversity within the oceans is breathtaking. Furthermore, the oceans play a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate. They act as a giant heat sink, absorbing and redistributing heat across the planet, influencing weather patterns and driving the global climate system. Ocean currents such as the Gulf Stream carry warm waters across vast distances, shaping regional climates and influencing the distribution of life on Earth. In essence, the oceans are the heartbeat of our planet, orchestrating a delicate balance that sustains life as we know it. The oceans is an invitation to contemplate the interconnectedness of our world, to acknowledge the vast forces that shape our existence. They are a testament to the wonders of nature, reminding us of our place within this intricate tapestry of life. So let us marvel at the boundless expanse of the oceans, for within their depths lies a world of endless possibilities and untold treasures waiting to be discovered. The oceans possess immense power and influence over various aspects of our planet. They play a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns. They absorb and store vast amounts of heat from the sun, distributing it across the planet through ocean currents. This process helps to moderate temperatures, preventing extreme fluctuations between seasons and regions. Oceans significantly impact weather systems. Evaporation from the ocean surface fuels the water cycle, contributing to the formation of clouds, precipitation, and storms. The exchange of heat and moisture between the oceans and the atmosphere influences the formation and intensity of hurricanes, typhoons, and other weather phenomena. The oceans act as a massive carbon sink, absorbing a significant portion of the carbon dioxide emitted into the atmosphere. This process helps mitigate the effects of greenhouse gas emissions. However, excessive carbon absorption has led to ocean acidification, posing threats to marine ecosystems. The oceans support a rich variety of life forms and ecosystems. Coral reefs, mangroves, kelp forests, and other marine habitats are vital breeding grounds and nurseries for numerous species. These ecosystems provide food, livelihoods, and other resources to millions of people worldwide. Oceans cover more than 71% of the Earth's surface, making them a crucial medium for global transportation and trade. Maritime routes facilitate the movement of goods, fuels, and raw materials across continents, enabling international commerce and economic interconnectedness. The power of ocean currents, tides, and waves can be harnessed to generate renewable energy. Technologies such as tidal turbines, wave energy converters, and offshore wind farms are being developed to harness this vast energy potential, contributing to a sustainable energy future. The oceans are abundant in valuable resources such as fish, minerals, and energy reserves. Fishing and aquaculture provide sustenance and livelihoods to millions of people worldwide. Furthermore, offshore oil and gas reserves, as well as mineral deposits on the ocean floor, have the potential to meet global energy and resource demands. Speaking of marine life, the oceans are home to an incredible variety of creatures and ecosystems. And they're not just pretty to look at. Did you know that the oceans are like superhighways for global trade? A lot of the Earth's surface is covered in water, so it makes sense that boats and ships are a big deal. They help move goods, fuel, and raw materials all around the world, keeping economies chugging along. So yes, the oceans are incredible. In this exploration of ocean biodiversity, delve into the wonders of this underwater world and unravel the secrets it holds. One of the first things that strike us when we begin to explore ocean biodiversity is the sheer variety of species that call the ocean home. From microscopic plankton to gigantic whales, the ocean harbors an astonishing range of organisms. Countless fish species, with their dazzling colors and intricate patterns, dart through the waters. Magnificent sea turtles gracefully glide through the currents, while playful dolphins leap and frolic in the waves. As we dive deeper, we discover that the ocean is not just a single homogeneous environment, but rather a complex tapestry of habitats and ecosystems. Coral reefs, for instance, are biodiversity hotspots that support an incredible array of species. These vibrant underwater cities, built by tiny coral polyps, are home to myriad of fish, crustaceans, and other invertebrates. The intricate symbiotic relationships between corals and their resident organisms create a delicate balance of life and color. Moving away from the bustling reefs, we explore the vast open ocean, often referred to as the Blue Desert. Here, in the pelagic zone, the diversity might seem less apparent at first glance, but it's no less remarkable. Schools of shimmering fish traverse the water column, their synchronized movements creating breathtaking displays. Deep-diving marine mammals, like the enigmatic sperm whales, roam the depths in search of food. while graceful sharks patrol the open waters. Venturing even further into the ocean's depths, we encounter the mysterious world of the abyss. In this extreme environment, where sunlight barely penetrates, a multitude of strange and fascinating creatures thrive. Deep-sea anglerfish with their bioluminescent lures, bizarre-looking gulper eels, and translucent jellyfish with otherworldly beauty reveal the incredible adaptations that have evolved in the darkness. As we marvel at the rich tapestry of life in the ocean, we come to realize the vital importance of its biodiversity. These diverse ecosystems not only provide a home for countless species, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our planet. Phytoplankton, microscopic plants that inhabit the ocean's surface, produce more than half of the oxygen we breathe. Mangrove forests and seagrass meadows act as nursery grounds for various marine species and serve as buffers against coastal erosion. However, ocean biodiversity faces numerous challenges and threats. Conserving and protecting ocean biodiversity is not only a matter of preserving the wonders of the world, but also essential for the well-being and sustainability of human societies. Exploring ocean biodiversity is a journey into a world of awe-inspiring beauty, intricate relationships, and vital ecological processes, from the bustling coral reefs to the vast open ocean and the mysterious abyss. The oceans hold an incredible diversity of life. As we continue to learn and appreciate the wonders beneath the waves, understanding the deep interconnectedness of life can ensure the health and resilience of our oceans and the invaluable services they provide. Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of coral reefs, where a kaleidoscope of colors awaits your exploration. These underwater wonderlands are a testament to the beauty and diversity of marine life. In this odyssey, we will unravel the vibrant tapestry of colors that adorn these extraordinary ecosystems and discover the significance they hold. Coral reefs are bustling metropolises beneath the waves, brimming with life and a symphony of colors. Imagine yourself diving into warm azure waters, surrounded by a breathtaking display of hues. The corals themselves, with their intricate structures and astonishing array of colors, form the backbone of this underwater masterpiece. Soft corals sway gently, showcasing shades of pink, orange, and purple, creating an ethereal dance of color. Hard corals, with their stony skeletons, dazzle with their vibrant yellows, blues, and greens, painting the reef with vibrant strokes. These fragile underwater ecosystems, formed by colonies of tiny coral polyps, play a vital role in protecting our coastlines. The beauty of coral reefs is not solely aesthetic. It signifies the incredible ecological importance of these ecosystems. They are often referred to as the rainforests of the sea due to the incredible variety of species they support. Coral reefs are biodiversity hotspots, supporting an astonishing array of marine species. They provide vital habitats, shelter, and nursery grounds for multitudes of organisms, from tiny fish fry to majestic sea turtles. The complex structures of the reefs offer hiding places, breeding sites, and feeding grounds, creating a thriving ecosystem where countless species coexist. But the colors of coral reefs go beyond mere visual delight. They are a testament to the intricate symbiotic relationships that exist within these ecosystems. Corals form a partnership with tiny algae called zooxanthellae, which reside within their tissues. These algae harness the energy of the sun through photosynthesis and provide corals with vital nutrients. In return, the corals offer a protected environment and access to sunlight for the algae. The dazzling colors we see are the result of pigments produced by both the corals and the algae, serving as a natural sunscreen to protect against excessive sunlight. Beyond the corals themselves, the reef teems with a dazzling array of marine life, each adding its own vibrant touch to the underwater canvas. Fish of all shapes, sizes, and colors dart among the corals, creating a mesmerizing display of movement and patterns. Brightly colored angelfish, vivid parrotfish, and delicate butterfly fish add their hues to the reef's palette. Invertebrates such as sea animals, sea stars, and crustaceans further contribute to the kaleidoscope with their own stunning colors and intricate designs blending seamlessly with the corals. Moreover, coral reefs play a crucial role in the overall health of our planet. They act as natural barriers, protecting coastlines from the destructive forces of waves and storms. By absorbing wave energy, they help prevent erosion and safeguard nearby communities. Reefs also contribute to the global carbon cycle, with corals and other reef organisms playing a role in carbon sequestration and storage. Beyond their protective and ecological roles, coral reefs offer economic benefits to local communities and countries. Reef-based tourism and recreational activities such as snorkeling and diving draw visitors from around the world, boosting local economies and creating employment opportunities. The beauty and biodiversity of coral reefs provide an invaluable asset that is treasured by both locals and tourists alike. Preserving and restoring these delicate ecosystems is crucial for safeguarding coastal areas, sustaining livelihoods, and preserving the astounding beauty and biodiversity of our planet's underwater realm. Enter the realm of majestic marine creatures. Whales. The gentle giants of the ocean evoke a sense of wonder and admiration. These massive marine mammals, ranging from the mighty blue whale to the acrobatic humpback whale, are among the largest creatures on Earth. Their sheer size is enough to leave us breathless, yet it is their intelligence, complex social structures, and remarkable behaviors that truly captivate us. Whales are renowned for their extraordinary migrations, spanning thousands of kilometers as they traverse the oceans in search of food and breeding grounds. Witnessing the spectacle of a mother and a calf breaching the surface, or hearing the haunting songs of male whales reverberate through the water is an experience that leaves an indelible mark. Turtles, on the other hand, symbolize wisdom, longevity, and resilience. These ancient creatures have roamed the oceans for millions of years, surviving the test of time. From the mighty leatherback turtle, the largest of all turtles, to the delicate hawksbill turtle with its intricate shell patterns, these creatures embody both strength and vulnerability. Turtles have a unique life cycle that takes them from sandy beaches where they lay their eggs to the vast expanse of the open ocean where they spend the majority of their lives. Their navigational abilities are awe-inspiring as they rely on the Earth's magnetic fields and other sensory cues to find their way across vast distances. Dolphins, with their playful nature and incredible intelligence, bring joy and fascination to our encounters with the ocean. These highly social and acrobatic creatures have captured the hearts of people around the world. Dolphins are known for their intricate communication skills, cooperative hunting strategies, and the ability to leap and dance through the water. These charismatic mammals form tight-knit family groups called pods, where individuals work together to find food, protect each other, and engage in social interactions. Swimming alongside a pod of dolphins, witnessing their synchronized movements, and hearing their clicks and whistles is a truly magical experience. Oceans are indeed a crucial source of food through fishing and aquaculture. With a growing global population and increasing demands for protein-rich diets, the significance of oceans in providing sustenance cannot be overstated.